morning for breakfast, I made high-protein avocado toasts. I used gluten-free teff bread, and I added low-fat cottage cheese, half an avocado, 2 soft-boiled eggs, and then I drizzled some honey on top and added a pinch of salt, pepper, and chili flakes. This contains about 27 grams of protein, so this will keep me full for several hours. I've been doing lots of editing the past few hours, but now I'm gonna start prepping lunch. I'm making Nourish Bowls with roasted sweet potatoes and crispy chickpeas. I just washed these sweet potatoes well, and now I'm gonna chop them into small pieces. Next, I'll add some olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper and some paprika spice and chili flakes, and then just toss. And now I set these aside while I prep the chickpeas. And now same thing with the chickpeas as with the sweet potatoes. So we're gonna add olive oil and the spices. Next, I'm gonna spread the sweet potatoes and the chickpeas onto a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Next, I'm gonna roast them at 220 Celsius degrees, 425 in Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. While they're in the oven, I'm gonna cook some quinoa. Always remember to rinse your quinoa first, and I like to cook it in vegetable broth for extra flavor. Next, for the dressing, we need olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The ready quinoa should look like this. As the base for the Nourish Bowls, you can use pretty much any greens you like. I'm using arugula this time. Then besides the sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and quinoa, I'm gonna add some crumbled feta on top. And here's the ready lunch. We just got back from the gym. For a post-workout snack, I'm gonna make a high-protein mango passion fruit smoothie. So we're gonna need frozen mango, passion fruits, high-protein vanilla quark or yogurt, and some milk. So now let's just add all the ingredients into the blender. Now we just blend until smooth. And here's the ready smoothie. It's so creamy and refreshing. For dinner, we're gonna make lemon basil risotto with chicken. First, we're gonna heat up olive oil on a pan, and then we're gonna add green onions If you don't have IBS, you can replace the green onions with a regular onion. And then we're gonna add risotto rice and lots of chicken stock. And then we're just gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, the risotto is simmering. I'm gonna cook the chicken breasts. I made a marinade for the chicken of olive oil, dried basil, salt and pepper, and chili flakes. I'm gonna let them cook for about 4 minutes per side. Now that the rice has absorbed the chicken stock, I'm gonna add some lemon juice. Then I'm gonna add lots of spinach and 1 bunch of fresh basil. And then we just stir. And lastly, I'm gonna add grated parmesan. And then we just stir until it melts. The ready risotto should look like this. Here's the ready dinner. The risotto turned out so good. With the dinner, we're also gonna have some carrots. For dessert, we're gonna have my homemade ice cream. I'm gonna have a scoop of this pistachio flavor, and Aaron wants to have a scoop of the chocolate flavor. Recipes for both of these are already posted on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok, because I am currently doing 15 days of ice cream and sorbet recipes. But definitely recommend trying these out. Super easy to make and so good. Those were all the meals I had today. The written recipes are in the description box as always. Let me know in the comments what kind of recipes you would want to see next. If you're looking for more healthy and easy recipes, check out my ebooks. I'll add the link down below. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!